In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Google Drive with Microsoft Outlook and easily attach your Drive files to your emails. Whether you're on the Outlook web or using the desktop app, this guide will make the process simple and efficient. To get started, first you need to log into your Outlook account. You can do this by visiting outlook.live.com on your web browser or by opening the Outlook desktop application. Once you're signed into your account, let's navigate to the settings to set up our Google Drive connection. If you're using Outlook on the web, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. That's right, the little icon at the top right of the page. Click on it, then scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. From the settings menu, navigate to the mail section and click on attachments. Here is where we'll be connecting your Google Drive. Under storage accounts, you will see an option to add a new storage account. Click on the plus sign to add a storage account and select Google Drive from the list of options. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, so have those details handy. Allow Outlook to access your Drive by granting the necessary permissions. Once you've completed this, you'll see Google Drive listed as a storage option within Outlook. Now that we've linked Google Drive, let's move on to attaching your files from Google Drive to an email. Start by composing a new message in Outlook. You should see a paperclip icon or attach button. Click on this. From the drop-down choices, select Google Drive. You can now browse through your Drive to find the file you want to share. Once you've chosen your file, you'll have the option to send it either as a Google Drive link, which is perfect for larger files, or as a copy for smaller ones. With your file attached, it's almost time to send your email. Just before you hit send, double check the file permissions. Make sure that your file is set to anyone with the link can view. This ensures that your recipient can access and view the file without any hitches. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of handy tips. If your file is larger than 25 MB, Outlook will automatically attach it as a Google Drive link. Also, if you're using the desktop app, you'll find the Google Drive integration to be most effective when your account is synced via the Outlook web. And finally, if you need an alternative way, you can always manually paste a Google Drive share link into your email. And there you have it, a straightforward and hassle-free way to attach Google Drive files to your Outlook emails. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.